Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to do a few more knots in macrame. I'm going to show you the double half hitch knot and a gathering knot. So a double half hitch knot is when you have one cord that is the travelling cord and then you tie all the other cords around it, so you can go diagonally or you can go horizontally. First I'll show you diagonally. So you hold this cord over all the others and then you get the first cord and you go over the travelling cord and through the gap and then pull it tight. And that is a half hitch, and you can see it's quite loose. If you do the same thing again, over, through the gap and pull it tight, that locks the knot, and that is one double half hitch. We'll carry on with all the others. There you go, so that's your diagonal double half hitch. What you can then do is you can go back the other way, you just hold it in the other direction and then loop it that way, or you can go and do a double line, which is what I'm going to do. So you take this cord and that then becomes the travelling cord and you do the exact same thing again. Okay, so it's a really simple but really effective knot. What you can also do is you can go horizontally. So you do the exact same thing again, but this time you want to hold the cord tight going horizontally. So do the same thing again, over, through the gap, pull it tight. Okay, so that's your horizontal double half hitch. What you can also do with this knot is you can make diamonds. So you start from the middle and go out with these two and then you come back. So we'll do that this side first. Okay, and then this side. So that's the top of your diamond. And then what you can do at this point, just to neaten it up a bit, is instead of just having these straight, you could then do a square knot with these four, which just tidies it up a bit, and it also pulls your diamond in tight. So that can be a good little trick, just to tidy it up a bit. Okay, and then you go back and you'll do the bottom of the diamond. So now going this way. And this one. Okay, and once you've done two knots on each side, you can see this doesn't look finished. So it doesn't matter which way you tie it, but if you just tie one around the other and do another double half hitch, you kind of close the diamond. There you go, so that's a little diamond. If any of you buy my my keyring kit, this is basically the knot that you'll be doing. Okay, so that's the basics for double half hitch knots. What I also wanted to show you was how to do a gathering knot. So this is a gathering knot. You see it at the top and the bottom of a plant hanger, and it just kind of holds everything in place really nicely. So I'll show you now how to do that at the bottom. You kind of gauge where you want it, because the bottom of the knot will be where your pot will sit nicely. So I think I'll do it there. And you grab it in your fist, and then you get an extra piece of cord. I've got a different colour so you can see. And you grab it in with a fist, so you've got a bit coming out the top, and then you get the end and you wrap it around your fingers and then grab it so you've got this loop at the bottom. And then what you want to do is just start wrapping this cord in tight circles around all the cord. Doesn't matter how many times you do it, as long as you don't cover the end of the hoop. Okay, so I'm just going to do a small one today. What you then do is you need to put the end through the loop and pull on the top. Just keep pulling it through, and then you'll see that the knot pulls into this kind of tube. Keep pulling it tight, and then you can like readjust as you want, and then that knot you can feel is like in the center and it's really, really tight. And then all you do is cut one end and cut the top, so you see you get a lot more than you need, just so you can do the knot. And then you can just adjust it a little bit, and now you have a really tidy and secure knot, and it's just a really nice way to kind of gather all your cord. So those are the two knots I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.